Welcome to KD Enterprises, the owners of Gamers Reunite. Today we would be discussing the three most important pointers. The first is how to buy products from trusted seller over Amazon. So let me just quickly show you what things you need to focus before buying. So यहाँ पे हमने दो products already open किए हैं. One is the Apple Watch Series 6 and the another one is the HyperX Cloud Core gaming headphones. Now for Amazon, we only recommend buying the products from Apiro Retail Private Limited or from the Cloudtail, as these two are the official sellers of Amazon. Also make sure that the products are getting fulfilled by Amazon. Fulfilled by Amazon means ये एक Amazon की खुद की hub रहती है जहाँ से products को dispatch किया जाता है to the customers. So it creates a faster shipping for you. Delivery time would be lesser, and if in case there are any issues with the product, your return would be quite easier. Now the third and the foremost thing that you guys need to check are the seller ratings. If you click on the seller or if you click on the offers, यहाँ पे जो आपको stars दिख रहा है, these are the seller ratings. So we'll just suggest you to not to buy any products from the seller who has rating less than 4. So yes, again this is a foremost important factor. The second important factor that we would be discussing is buying from online or retail. Now both the scenarios have certain advantages and certain disadvantages. So let's talk about the advantages of retail buying. Retail buying is all about physical purchases. You can always check and buy your products from retail. Another thing is the stocks are readily available in retail. So in case of emergencies or urgent buying of the products, you can just walk into the retail outlets and purchase your item. The third thing is better pricing. Yes, the retail outlets do offer a better pricing as compared to the online. If you can convince or inform the sellers that the same products are available online at a quite cheaper rates. So now let us talk about the advantages of online purchasing. See, the online purchasing of the products is always reliable. It always saves your time, effort and energy. Also during the festive day sales like the Amazon Great Indian Festival or the Flipkart Big Million Days, the prices for almost all the products are at down to earth prices. Another most important advantages of buying product online is 7 days return coverage policy. It means in case अगर आपके product में कुछ भी issues होते हैं or if there is any kind of a manufacturing defect, you can easily return that product from whichever platform you bought from without having much trouble. Make sure आपकी जो 7 days की return coverage policy है, it always consider from your date of delivery. So now let us discuss the disadvantages of buying from a retail. But before starting, let me inform you guys that all the scenarios depend from a seller to seller. The first disadvantage is no return coverage policy. As we have discussed earlier, that the retail buying is all about the physical purchases, so there won't be any return coverage policy from a seller end. It means once the products are sold and if you find any issues with your product, the only option you have left with visiting the service center. यहाँ पे आपको seller कोई भी help नहीं करेंगे for getting your product replacement. The second disadvantage is after sales services. Now after sales services plays a very important role in product purchasing. Today majority of the sellers in our market fails to provide a good after sales services. The sellers are either non-responsive or supportive when you need them the most. The third disadvantage is loss of sales receipt or purchase invoice. Now it might turn around very difficult for an consumer to grab another copy of the invoice if they lose the original one. So while claiming the warranty for your product, if you contact the seller, either they are unable to find the record for your purchases or either they are non-responsive over the calls. So now let us talk about the online disadvantages. See, the online platforms always works on the trust and reputations of the website. The first disadvantage is no physical checking, trying and buying of your products. Yes, there are consumers out in the market who still prefer buying products from a retail outlet rather than purchasing it from online. Apart from it, there are many states and cities across pan India where people are not aware about or less knowledgeable about the online concept. The second disadvantage is bad experiences. Now buying from the well-known websites like Amazon or Flipkart is always safe and trusted. बट इवेंचुअली जब ये वेबसाइट्स भी मार्केट में काफ़ी टाइम पहले लॉन्च हुए थे, पीपल वेर वेरी स्केप्टिकल अबाउट देयर परचेजेस. दे वेर वरीड कि क्या या वेबसाइट से ऑर्डर करने के बाद हमारा प्रोडक्ट डिलीवर होगा, और अगर डिलीवर होता भी है सो क्या हमारा प्रोडक्ट सही रहेगा. अपार्ट फ्रॉम इट, टिल डेट देर आर मैनी कस्टमर्स आउट इन द मार्केट who have been scammed by either getting a fake product or the product replacement or refund has been rejected from these websites. Now the third disadvantage is order processing time. नाउ द वेबसाइट्स लाइक अमेजोन डू ऑफर एंड वन डे डिलीवरी टू ऑल ऑफ इट्स प्राइम कस्टमर्स, जहाँ पे प्रोडक्ट को नेक्स्ट डे ही डिलीवर किया जाता है टू द डोर स्टेप. बट स्टिल देर आर मैनी प्रोडक्ट्स ऑन अमेजोन जहाँ पे ऑर्डर प्रोसेसिंग टाइम इज़ मोर देन 7 to 10 वर्किंग डेज. सो इन दिस सिनारियो अगर आपको प्रोडक्ट की कोई भी अर्जेंट नीड हो, सो यही चीज़ ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म्स टाइम पे फुलफिल नहीं कर पाते. So that's it for the video guys. So either buying from online or retail, make your choices smart. आई होप इस वीडियो के अंदर हमने काफ़ी यूज़फुल इन्फॉर्मेशन शेयर की है. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. प्लीज़ डू लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल.